Good morning, Carl. So, I just received your assignment on screen 4 and I have two things for you. So, I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is I found out that you're now good in coding your HTML, which includes your indentation and your use of comments. Though there are little bit of errors like this, which they do not exist on your CSS. Overall, they're good. With regards to your CSS, I can see that you're using all your resources to know and to experiment on your assignment. So now, if you're ready to hear the bad news, uh, let's see first your output. Your output is very good as I can see because your float and your establishment of sizes are good. But I think you forgot to give me your images, so it went messy. So next time, don't forget to give me your images. So let's get technical now. First, on your CSS, there's little redundancy on your codes, such as in this side, they are both set bar H6 and also the buttons. I can see that the buttons has the same attributes, so I think you can compress them in one code, like putting button 2 here, button 2, button 3, button 3, and button 4 here. I forgot the dots. So you can erase all that bulky codes. So overall they're good, and what caught me is that you have negative value on your CSS. This seems odd, but it's not allowed really. So to give you some help regarding these margins, maybe you can use a reset CSS. Though it would make your codes messy, this will practically help you for you to determine your own margins, paddings, and width and height. So we put them here, delete some spaces, save it, and look up the output. So from the other output, it's a little bit more messy, but from now you can edit your margins and paddings without negative values. And also some of your predefined attributes would be resetted. Next, we need to center your output on the screen. So with your CSS and your container, we can put margin 0 px auto. With this attribute, it can able to center your elements in the screen. It means that top margin will be 0 and left and right margin would be equal or automatically calculated by the screen or by the size of your screen. So it is centered. And lastly, I think you should clean up your codes because you have these things. I don't know what's the purpose of this span, clear text, and use P, not H6 with paragraphs so they can be more defined as your teammates can understand it. Also, don't use buttons on headers. Maybe your intention really here could be clicking this and going to the next section about automotive, for example, commercial, industrial, or diesel exhaust fluid. But it's not really conventional to use buttons. So maybe you can use H1 or H1 to H6 to substitute for this tag. And more likely, you can edit them just like your divs and your menus, having backgrounds, colors, and other stuff. So for more information, I can give you this website in which you can know your pointers in having your HTML coded and your CSS. So overall, very good, Carl. So keep it up and work on this, and I will wait for you. So happy coding. Goodbye.